Folks, everybody, I want to give you a little idea of what my morning antidepressant is. Feeding the birds. I put out some cereal for them, some crisps, some crackers, some stale bread in their little basket there. It's so peaceful to sit and watch these guys. So peaceful to sit and watch them eat. Giving back to Danú. These are just common little sparrows. Seem to have a way of doing it. They climb up the trunk of the tree and jump in the basket with all the goodies. This time of year, they're probably getting ready to start their little families. So they probably want to get nice and fat. You can't be sad or depressed when you see this. It's virtually impossible, isn't it? Virtually impossible to be sad and depressed when you're amongst Danú. Take a few moments each day to appreciate these little things. So important. Slán go fóill.